On the factory floor, a quality circle is a small group of people who work together to solve one real measurable problem and improve the job step by step. That matters because small improvements in defects, scrap, downtime, or delays add up fast, and that's how quality circles support continuous improvement for excellence. Step 1 is theme selection. Pick one recurring problem you can measure, like seal defects on one machine, rising scrap on one shift, or downtime during changeovers. Step 2 is the reason for selection. Show why this problem matters now by using simple data on losses, defects, scrap, or downtime, instead of going by opinion. A check sheet is a simple tally form. A Pareto chart shows which problem is biggest, and a trend chart shows whether the problem is getting worse or better over time. Step 3 is current situation analysis. Go to the line, watch the work, map the process, and collect facts before anyone jumps to conclusions about the cause. Step 4 is target setting. Set a clear goal with a number and a deadline, like cutting rework from 8% to 4% within 8 weeks. Step 5 is activity planning. A flowchart shows the work steps, a histogram shows the spread of data, stratification sorts data by shift or machine, and a Gantt plan shows who will do what by when. Step 6 is cause analysis. The goal is to find the few real causes behind the problem, not just the most obvious symptom on the surface. A fishbone diagram helps the team sort possible causes into groups like machine, method, material, and manpower, and 5 whys helps you dig deeper by asking what caused each cause. If needed, a scatter diagram helps check whether 2 factors move together, like temperature and defect rate, so the team can test ideas with facts. Step 7 is countermeasure development. Use what you learn to choose fixes that hit the root cause, like changing a setup method, adding a gauge check, or improving material handling. Step 8 is implementation. Start by trying the solution in a controlled way on the line, instead of changing everything at once. Involve the operators who do the work every day, because they can spot whether the new method is practical, safe, and easy to follow during real production. Use a trial check sheet to record what happens during the test, like missed steps, defects, or delays, so adjustments are based on facts. Then update a draft of standard work so the better method can be rolled out in a controlled way once the team is confident it works. Step 9 is effect confirmation. Compare the old result with the new result using real numbers, like fewer defects per shift, less downtime, or lower scrap. This is where before and after matters. If the defect rate dropped, the line stopped less often, or rework hours went down, the team can show the gain clearly. A run chart or control chart shows performance over time, a histogram shows the data spread, and a before and after Pareto chart shows whether the biggest loss was reduced. Step 9 is effect confirmation. Compare the before and after results with real numbers using a run chart, control chart, histogram, or a simple Pareto before and after, just like in the 7 basic quality tools. If the improvement is weaker than expected, don't guess. Review the data, learn from the trial, adjust the countermeasure, and test again on the line. Once the results are stable and repeatable, you're ready for the next step. Standardize the new method so the gain doesn't fade away. Step 10 is standardization. Once the new method works, update the SOP, work instructions, and key checkpoints so the better way becomes the normal way. Step 11 is follow-up and control. Train the operators, make sure they understand the new method, and show exactly what good work looks like on the line. Then keep checking that the new method is really being followed. A check sheet, control chart, and training matrix help you monitor results over time and catch drift early, which fits Deming's PDCA idea and the doHow of repeating improvement again and again. If performance starts to slip, correct it early, coach the team, and bring the process back on track before the old problem returns. Step 12 is reflection and next theme. The team reviews lessons, picks the next problem, and starts the cycle again. Use these 12 steps to improve quality every day and drive work on real shop floor problems, and improvement becomes something your team does, not something it only talks about.